Perfect roasted potatoes. Stay tuned for the recipe. Here are the cubed potatoes. We're gonna add a handful of cloves of garlic. I want to show you this tray. It's a stoneware from Pampered Chef. Usually I love fresh rosemary, but when you don't have it, a good organic one is perfect. Black garlic from Trader Joe's. It's my favorite. I love it on the potatoes. Just go ahead and sprinkle it on. Let's give it a good stir. Okay. Cracked salt. I like the Himalayan pink. Now, be generous with the pepper. Only coat it with the extra virgin olive oil. One final stir, and we're gonna get it in the tray. Okay. In the oven, 375, and let it do its thing. For the garlic lovers, look at that. And here's the final product. Simple, 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 and so delicious. Thank you for watching.